Well, today we're going to be looking at something a little bit unusual. So this is a knockoff Lego set, a brick set, and this is from a company called Temu. I'll put a link in the description. I'll try and link to this actual one. So it's basically like Wish or AliExpress. It's a new one that's going, and we thought we'd give it a go. So we placed an order, and 7 days later it's here. We could not believe it. It's like, how does that come from China in 7 days, but we can't get something from down the road? So I placed an order for a few things, so I'm going to look at them in turn. So it was things like this Lego set, I thought it looked good, a knockoff Lego Ghostbusters car, which I'll cover in a different video, various other things, some Godzilla stuff, an Action Man body, so I can finally put Sean Bean's head on his shoulders. Yeah, and the prices were really, really good. I think this was 19 quid, something like that. And sometimes you get these and they're really low quality, but this feels good. It feels heavy. So let's have a look at the box. So Pirates, that's obviously Pirates Caribbean logo. They've nicked the rest off of. I'm not even going to pronounce that. Z-Gal 6+, so 1328 pieces. Pirate ship, mini. There's a QR code if you fancy scanning it. God knows where it would take you. So you get a picture of the pirate ship. It looks like it's quite a nicely featured pirate ship. Lots of people on it. Knockoff Lego men. I don't know how many you get. Presumably just the 4. Nothing on the sides. On the back, it's really weird, heavy duty cardboard. It's really well done, and I don't know if you can see, it's embossed or sort of varnished. So you get the ship and then various shots of the ship. Like I say, it weighs a metric ton. It's mad. Let's take the box off and I'll show you why it weighs that. Excuse me a second, it's one of these slide off boxes, so it's really hard to do because it gets a vacuum. Hold it down. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. It's off. So it's absolutely rammed full. Hundreds of bags. Luckily they're all numbered. It does look like they're slightly smaller than Lego. Have I got a Lego brick? I haven't got a Lego brick tree, but they are. There's a Lego size brick compared to. So it's obviously smaller than Lego, but you get loads of bags, hundreds of things. If we find people, that'll be a good idea. Cloth sails, chains. I mean, lots of pieces. Oh, lots of people. So you can see, yeah, they're like, they're so cute. They're like little mini Lego style people. Oh, they look amazing. Oh, they're so cute. I hope they go together then. So look at the. Oh, look, you get keel pieces. I'm never going to get back in this box. So we look at the instructions. So quite a hefty book. I hope they're pictorial. Yes, it looks like they're decent. Sort of following on. You get cannon and everything. I think it's going to be a really good, fun build. Like for 20 quid. And I think on your first order, you save money anyway. So I think it was like, if you spent 50 quid, you got 20 quid off. I don't know how they do it. How can you make and ship this from China for 20 quid? Well, we know, don't we? Slave labour. It looks like it's going to be difficult but fun build. What is interesting and what I might get next time is they do a, the orca from Jaws, they do a version of that. So I might get that next time. I don't think it's quite as big as this, I don't get people, but more like the old Titanic that I got on my site ages ago. So yeah, so I'm not going to show you building it up. I might go through if it doesn't go together too well. I might show a little bit, but if not, when you next see it, it should be built up probably in about a week's time. So let's cut to that. Okay, so I finished making up the pirate ship, and I was greatly impressed with this one. It's mini because it's about 2/3 the scale of normal Lego. I've got a Lego figure here. That's a Star Wars Lego figure. You can see that it's about 2/3 the scale, but the blocks went together really well. Good solid clunks when they go together, cleverly done, and I think it's pretty neat. I sort of wish all Lego was 2/3 size because you can get more on your shelf. So you get sort of cloth sails, you get a crew, which is nice, little cute pirates and piratesses, you get little lookouts. The back comes off so that you can see inside, but there's not really much inside. I will get it off. I'll have to, it's not the easiest thing to open up, but I will open up to show you. The anchors hook onto these little tridents, and there's even a capstan that you can wind them in with. It's just amazing detail for the price. I know you can get, they're doing the same one now in like one solid colour, and they're calling it the Black Pearl. I don't know whether it is, it doesn't look much like it. Also you get loads of extra bits, just so much more than Lego. I had like almost a bag full of extra parts. Look at the figurehead's little skeleton guy. So yeah, this was very impressive. Let me get the back off and I'll show you. So this hinges up, and you can see there's a little captain's cabin with a table and map and stuff in there, but it's really hard to get the figures in there, so I haven't put any in there, and that just folds down. Normally when I lift it up, I knock other stuff off, but that worked quite well. So you got like detailed back of the ship. I don't know what these are meant to be. Like plant pieces, chains everywhere. You got opening and closing cannon, and there's actually cannons in there that have a hinge on it. It's brilliant. I'm really impressed with this. I'm going to try and get some more. There's the captain. By far the best knockoff Lego I've ever seen, and dirt cheap. So yeah, if you want to see more of these Temu knockoff Lego sets, let me know, because I bought a load recently. Please like and subscribe if you can. It does help the channel out. It's been a bit of a slog with the subscriber rates at the moment. They seem to have plateaued off. Perhaps I've reached as many people as want to watch me, which is fine. We have a Patreon page now if you want to help us out there. But otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Army mateys. Thanks then. Bye.